What is up, cappuccinos? And yes, I'm aware that that is a type of coffee drink. I think. I'm not sure, actually. I'm not really aware of anything related to coffee. But listen up. This is going to be a review of place values. Whole number place values. So, what I mean, well, you got a whole number, which is just normal number. And you got the place values. You have the ones place, which is just one. And then you have the tens place, which is this place right here. Because it is the tens, and this is ones. This is ones because it's only worth one. This is the tens place because it's worth 2 tens. And then you got the hundreds place. We'll just keep going like this. The hundreds place because it's worth 3 100s. Hundreds place. Then you got the thousands place because this one's worth a certain number of thousands. This one's worth 4 1000s. So this is the thousands place. Thousands place. And then you got the 10,000s place. See, this is 54,321 now. This is the 10,000s place because this is worth 5 10,000s. If you were to multiply 10,000 times 5, you get 50,000. So this is the 10,000s. I'll just put 1,000. Okay, those are very close. Whatever, I'm going to have to stop writing their names. This is the hundreds thousands place. Oh, right, that's the number. That's an S. I should have wrote an S smaller. Dang it! This is where we use pencils and not pens to do math. Okay, this is the 100,000s place because it takes 100,000 multiplied by 6 is equal to 600,000. This is 600,000. So this is the 100,000s place. And then we put a comma right here. This is the 1 millions place. As I'm sure you can figure out, it's made up of 7 1 millions. This is the millions place. And then we have the 10 millions place because it's made out of 10. It's made up of 8 10 millions. If you want to multiply 10 million by 8, you'd get 8 million. 80 million, sorry, you get 80 million. 10 million times 8 would be 80 million. And then we've got the 100 millions place. This would be 900 million. So, because it would be 100 million multiplied by 9. So that would make it 900 million. That's why it's in the nines place. 100 millions place. And then we're going to stop right here at the 1 billionth place. This is the 1 billionth place because it's made up of 1 billion, a certain amount of billions. In this case, it's just 1 times 1 billion. But it could be 2 billion, and that would be 2 1 billions. That's why it's the billions place. So, ones place, because it's made up of a certain number of ones. Tens, because it's made up of a certain number of 10. Hundreds, because it's made up of a certain number of 100. Thousands, because it's made up of a certain number of thousands of 1,000. 10,000, because it's made up of a certain number of 10,000. 100,000, because it's made up of a certain number of 100,000s. 1 million, because it's made up of a certain number of a million. Like in this case, 7 millions. It has 7 1 millions. 10 million, because it's made up of a certain number of 10 millions. In this case, it has 8 10 millions. This is 100 million because it has this is 100 millions place because it has 9 100 millions. It's made up of a certain number of 100 millions. And this is the billions because it's made up of a certain number. This is the 1 billionth place because it's made up of a certain number of 1 billion. In this case, just 1. Stay in school, bro.